Hi everyone, this is Ruth with DEK. I am Social Media Marketing Manager, and today we are going to be doing a November sub box unboxing. So this is how it looks like. So this is basically what the theme is in the kit, which is really pretty. We got some pinks, some purples, really cute. When you open the box, you get a sweet little note from the DEK family, and then you get all the goodies. So in this month's box, we have this cute little pouch, and inside we have some washi. Here are these skinny washies. I'm going to open this one so you can see a little bit more. Look how cute that is. I'll let you see it laid down. It has like a marble effect to it. So moving on, you also get this cute little gold foiled bow. I'll take it out. Really cute paper. And there's the foil on the bow. So cute, very sturdy. Next up, we always get a little nice surprise. In this box, we got caramel apple pops. Yummy. Then this came in a permanent marker, but it's fine point. Love writing with this in my sidebars. This cute little notepad, very convenient, which also matches the theme. And then we got our set of die cuts. That is super cute. This can definitely be used as a journaling card or anything for decorative purposes. So one thing about these boxes are that papers and everything that comes with it, you see this already has a bow. You can take that right off and just put it on your planner or anywhere. So here's the die cuts. These are so cute. Here's a rolling pin. The good thing about these die cuts is that they are also stickers. So if you like to paste them anywhere, you can. That is so cute. Ooh, that is really cute. Love it. So those are the die cuts, and next on we have our weekly kit. Which is pretty big kit, so you can use it multiple times, because look, you have 2 sets of foiled full boxes, Really pretty. So it's like basically, you can say it's like 2 kits in one. Here's our Fashion Girls, which you also have 2 sets. I love, wow, look at the bottom washi. Wow. Love how there's a change. That is really cute. And then deco, an entire full sheet of deco. Then this is what doesn't come in other kits, which makes this kit extra special. We got these cute boxes and these, love that. So that's the weekly kit. And now on to the monthly. So every monthly kit comes with your scripts. So it's basically completely customizable. So the kit is not foiled, but you have the foil scripts, so you can add that pop of foil to each kit, to your kit. And then we got more scripts and deco. That's the monthly. Really simple yet elegant. That's definitely a word I would describe this box. And up next is, ooh, very pretty. Oh, I was opening it the wrong way. So these are more stickers. Oh, and they're semi-clear. So they're like a frosted, they have a frosted type. I'm gonna take one out just to show. So it's clear, or frosted clear. Really pretty. So we got that section, and then in the back we have this, which is also clear. So these are like your brush strokes. These, I say, these would be easy to write on with this type of pen. Just giving you a little idea. Oh, more. Love that. So we got more deco, Fashion Girls, and all these are on clear sticker paper. And a quote journaling card. Perfect for your planner. So now we're here to the final part of the box, which is my favorite. The paper. So there's a lot of paper. They have decorations on both sides. And I will show you. You see that? That's a lot. Love it. So here's the first one. And there's the back. They are on cardstock, a really nice weighted cardstock. That is so pretty. And like I said, you can do whatever you want with these papers. That is pretty. And then you get a vellum. Very pretty. Now for vellum, it's only one-sided. And you can mix and match. There's a lot of stuff you can do. So you got plenty of options. Oh, this might be my favorite paper. And the final. Ooh, this is my favorite too. Oh, how cute. So you get all those options. So, and a lot of them can be used for next spring. Some can be used now. You have plenty of options. So that's the end of the box. So the next sub box deadline will be November 2nd. So make sure to go and subscribe to the monthly, and you can be a part of all these goodies. Bye.